Jigsaw is a visual prototyping tool for people to combine the capabilities of different AI foundation models, represented as puzzle pieces. Jigsaw consists of 4 main components: the catalog panel, the assembly panel, the input and output panels, and the assembly assistant. In the catalog panel, I can browse through AI puzzle pieces, covering a variety of modalities and capabilities. The puzzle pieces are color-coded by their input and output modalities. For example, a text-to-image piece is colored green on the left for text input and blue on the right for image output. I can select the modality tabs to jump to puzzle pieces taking in certain input modalities. Some puzzle pieces can take in 2 inputs. I can hover over puzzle pieces to inspect more information, including their capabilities, typical runtime, and example input and output. Let's start playing around with AI puzzle pieces by dragging some pieces onto the assembly panel. Suppose I'd like to make a poster for my Friday night DJ party. I'll first use a text input. I see that I can connect my puzzle piece with another green puzzle piece, meaning that it accepts text input. Compatible puzzle pieces snap together. On the other hand, incompatible puzzle pieces repel, making it error-proof. Some puzzle pieces have adjustable parameters, and I can hover over the info icons to see hints on how to adjust them. Instead of figuring out the perfect prompt for my image generation AI model, I can use the text glue in translation mode. This helps me automatically translate a piece of text into a great prompt. The text glue also supports ideation mode, which helps brainstorm an idea for a specified topic or perform any custom language-based reasoning. If I am unsure of which puzzle piece can help me accomplish a certain task, I can use semantic search to find relevant puzzle pieces. For example, enhance my poster. Let's use the increase image resolution piece. Now that I have a good chain of puzzle pieces, I can click Run to pass our text input through the chain. After running, I can select each of the puzzle pieces to see the intermediate input and outputs at each stage in the input and output panels. Sometimes I have a creative goal, but I don't know what combinations of pieces to start from. I can use natural language to describe my goal to the assembly assistant. Let's try adding sound effects to my poster. Let's connect this to our chain and run it. In this demo, I made a simple chain to create an audiovisual poster for my DJ party. With Jigsaw, users can use AI puzzle pieces to prototype interior designs, narrated storybooks, music videos, video game characters, and more. The possibilities are endless.